The gym is where you break yourself down, pushing your limits and testing your willpower with every rep and every drop of sweat. It's a place where you challenge your body, but also your mind, forging discipline and resilience with each set. But real growth starts after you leave. The moment you step outside those doors, your body begins the real process of change. Your muscles are torn, exhausted, and hungry for repair. They're sending signals, asking for the nutrients they need to rebuild stronger than before. That last rep? It's just the beginning. The real challenge is what you do next. The real transformation happens with what you feed your body next. Nutrition is the fuel that powers your recovery and growth. You've created tiny tears in your muscles. Now your body needs the right materials to rebuild. Without the right nutrients, your hard work can't pay off. Post-workout nutrition is your construction crew, working behind the scenes to repair, strengthen, and build. Skip it, and all your hard work is just damage. You risk feeling sore, tired, and missing out on the gains you've earned. Too many people grind in the gym, then neglect recovery. Don't be that person. Recovery is just as important as the workout itself. The hours after your workout are your golden window for change. This is when your body is primed to absorb nutrients and start rebuilding. This is where a protein shake comes in. It's quick, convenient, and delivers exactly what your muscles need, right when they need it. It's not just for bodybuilders. It's the fastest, most efficient way to deliver what your muscles crave. Anyone who trains can benefit from this simple step. Think of it as express delivery for muscle repair. The sooner you refuel, the better your results. Your workout asks the question. Your protein shake is the answer. It's the missing link between effort and achievement. Don't waste your effort. Unlock the power of recovery. Let's dive in and discover how to make every workout count. So, what's a protein shake? Simple. Protein powder plus water or milk. The powder can be whey, casein, soy, pea, rice, or hemp. Concentrated protein, stripped of most fats and carbs. Why bother? Speed and convenience. After a workout, your muscles need amino acids fast. Cooking chicken or chana takes time. A shake is ready in seconds and absorbs quickly. Think of your muscles as a dry sponge. Liquid protein soaks in instantly. It's not a meal replacement, but a tool to kickstart recovery. Real food is king, but a shake bridges the gap when time matters most. It's about seizing that post-workout window for maximum results. Fast, efficient, and effective. That's the magic. Here's the science lifting causes muscle protein breakdown, tiny tears in your muscles. Your body responds with muscle protein synthesis, rebuilding stronger fibers. Growth happens when synthesis beats breakdown. Protein, specifically amino acids, fuels this process. After training, your muscles are primed to absorb these building blocks. A fast-digesting shake like whey spikes muscle repair right when you need it. Leucine, a key amino acid in whey, triggers the rebuilding process. This isn't gym myth. Studies show post-workout protein leads to more muscle and strength. You're leveraging biology, not just hoping for results. Drink smart, grow stronger. Ready to make your first shake? It's easy. Grab a shaker bottle. Don't just use a glass and spoon. Pour in 250 to 350 milliliters of water or milk first. Add 1 scoop of protein powder. Screw the lid on tight. Trust me, you don't want a mess. Shake hard for 20-30 seconds. You want a smooth, lump-free drink. Drink it soon after mixing. Don't let it sit. For beginners, stick to basics. Chocolate or vanilla whey with cold water. It's fast, effective, and gets the job done. As you get comfortable, experiment with flavors and add-ins. But first, master the basics. Liquid first, then powder, shake well, drink up. That's smart recovery. Welcome to the club. With so many protein powder options lining the shelves, it's easy to feel overwhelmed by all the choices. But don't worry. Here's what actually matters when picking the right one for you. If you're looking for the best option after a tough workout, whey protein is the gold standard. It's fast digesting, packed with essential amino acids, and especially high in leucine, which is key for muscle recovery and growth. Whey concentrate is both affordable and effective for most people, while whey isolate is a great choice if you want something lower in lactose and fat, or if you have mild lactose intolerance. Hydrolyzed whey is the fastest absorbing form, but unless you're a competitive athlete or have specific needs, Most people don't need to spend extra for it. If you can't do dairy, don't worry. Plant-based proteins like soy, pea, and rice are excellent alternatives. They're perfect for vegans, vegetarians, or anyone with lactose intolerance. Soy protein is a complete protein, meaning it contains all the essential amino acids your body needs. Pea and rice protein blends, when combined, also provide a full amino acid profile for balanced nutrition. Modern plant proteins have come a long way. They taste great, mix smoothly, and are just as convenient as dairy-based options. Don't let old myths fool you. Casein protein digests slowly, making it ideal for nighttime use. It provides your muscles with a steady supply of amino acids while you sleep, so save it for bedtime rather than right after your workout. To sum it up, choose whey or a quality plant blend after training for quick recovery, and opt for casein before sleep to support overnight muscle repair. Ultimately, pick your protein based on your dietary needs, preferences, and when you plan to use it. Timing and personal goals matter. Don't stress or overthink it. Just choose what fits your lifestyle and makes you feel your best. The right protein can make a real difference in your results and recovery. Keep it simple and enjoy the benefits. Heard of the anabolic window? It's real, but not as strict as you think. Your body is more sensitive to protein after training, but you don't have to chug a shake the second you finish. The window is bigger, up to 2 hours. What matters most is hitting your daily protein goal. Aim to have your shake within an hour for best results, but don't stress if you're late. One post-workout shake is enough for most people. The rest of your protein should come from real food. If you're busy or need more protein, a second shake is fine, but don't replace meals. Be strategic, not obsessive. Consistency beats perfection. Once you've nailed the basics, upgrade your shake. For muscle gain, add carbs, like a banana or oats, to replenish energy and boost recovery. Milk adds extra protein and creaminess. Nut butters bring healthy fats and flavor. For plant-based shakes, use almond or soy milk. A plant protein blend, banana, and seeds like chia or flax for fiber and omega-3s. Toss in spinach for extra nutrients. You won't taste it. Use a blender for solid add-ins. Frozen fruit makes it thick and cold. Experiment. Cinnamon for blood sugar, cocoa for chocolate flavor. Your shake can be delicious and powerful. Don't let it be boring. Make it your favorite part of recovery. The possibilities are endless. Fuel your goals your way. Enjoy every sip. Does this actually work? Absolutely. Studies show people who take protein after workouts gain more muscle and strength. It's not just for athletes. Regular folks see better results too. I've heard countless stories. Office workers, parents, actors, all credit post-workout nutrition for their transformations. One guy felt tired and stuck, then added a simple whey shake. Suddenly, faster recovery and visible muscle. Even pros like LeBron James and Tom Brady rely on dialed-in recovery. The principle is universal. Feed your muscles after training. Science and real life agree. This works. Make it part of your routine. Protein shakes aren't magic, and there are pitfalls you should know about before making them a regular part of your routine. While they can be a convenient way to boost your protein intake, it's easy to make mistakes that can hold you back from your goals. Don't buy cheap, low-quality powders loaded with sugar and fillers. Always read the label carefully. Some brands add unnecessary ingredients that can do more harm than good, so it's worth taking a few extra minutes to check what you're actually getting. If you're trying to lose fat, don't turn your shake into a calorie bomb with too many add-ins. It's tempting to throw in peanut butter, chocolate, or fruit, but those extras can quickly add up and sabotage your progress. Stick to basics if you want to stay lean. 1 scoop with water is usually enough. Keeping it simple helps you control calories and makes it easier to track your nutrition. Know your goals and build your shake accordingly. Whether you're aiming to gain muscle, lose weight, or just recover after a workout, your shake should match your needs, not someone else's. Not everyone needs protein shakes. If you have kidney or liver issues, consult your doctor first. Some medical conditions can make extra protein risky, so it's always best to get professional advice before starting any supplement. Dairy allergies? Avoid whey and casein. Try plant-based options like pea, rice, or soy protein. There are more choices than ever, so you don't have to miss out. Even lactose intolerance can be managed with whey isolate or plant proteins, which are easier on the stomach and still provide plenty of protein. Listen to your body. If a powder makes you feel bad, switch it up. Digestive issues, bloating, or discomfort are signs that a different product might suit you better. There are plenty of choices out there, so don't settle for something that doesn't work for you. Explore different brands and types until you find the right fit. Don't force what doesn't work for you. Your health comes first. Be smart, be safe, and remember that supplements should support your lifestyle, not complicate it. Find what fits your life, and enjoy the benefits of making informed, healthy choices every day.